Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm going to give you just a few reasons of many to choose Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings. I have hundreds of 5-star Google reviews that focus on communication, quality of work, and benefits of all the services that I offer. Trust me, I know what it's like to deal with frustrating companies that either don't respond to your messages or have odd drop-off hours that are only convenient to them and not you while you're working. All communication comes to my personal cell phone where I answer at almost all hours of the day, including after hours. I'm also the only shop in the area that's open 7 days a week with very flexible drop-off and pickup hours, which make it far more convenient for you to leave your vehicle with me to perform the service. I also make drop-off and pickup far easier by offering free Uber services for any PPF or ceramic coating job to get you back home and back to work. I'm a small, veteran-owned, family-oriented business. I retired here after 22 years right here to this area and opened up Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings. I'm fully registered, insured, and licensed. All of my PPF and ceramic coating services come with a full free exterior detail with clay bar, iron decontamination, you name it. I'm also going to give you a nice little aftercare kit to help you take care of your car and give you a YouTube channel that I've created that shows you a million car care tips and how to keep your car looking just as good as when you pick it up from me. We even offer financing through a third-party company called WiseTac if financing is something that you're interested in. You really don't have to take my word for it because the hundreds of 5-star Google reviews I mentioned at the beginning illustrate everything I just told you. So come check us out.